In today's video, we will talk about Frankenstein, a newest yield farming project inside Binance Smart Chain, wherein you can probably earn up to 4.94k% yearly by staking, by farming franc, putting your franc inside this one. And I'm going to show you how you can buy franc, and I'm going to show as well uh, live how I buy it, okay? And I'm also going to show some charts that you could probably check how much tokens are circulating right now, what is the current price of Frankenstein. But first and foremost, please do subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict right here. I'm really putting a lot of effort creating this kind of videos for you guys, so that while I'm earning, you can even join me, or just wait for something that fits you well. And of course, just a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor here. Every single decisions that I've made here is my journey on my cryptocurrency world. So you are more responsible to your money. Always do your own research, and of course, good luck to your future. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. So Frankenstein, it's really good. Frankenstein.finance. We can look into its coin price. So Frankenstein Finance price on PoCoin.app is around 104, and as you can see here, there's only 28,000 total supply of franc tokens that is circulating right now, and the market cap is $3 million. And as you can see here, even in the crypto crash, as you can see, it didn't really affect. It has its own move as well. And as you can see here, we're pretty much bullish onto this one. As you can see that trend line over here, it is pretty much bullish. And knowing that it is pretty much it has a low supply, I think it's doing really well on this one. I probably if you have any money to risk, of course, only invest money that you can afford to lose, then you can probably join franc. So how you can probably harvest, how you can enable farm, I will do it to you step by step, and I'm also going to put my money inside this platform right here. So first of all, we need to enable, I think, the farm. Or we can I think we need to buy first franc with BNB. So just click the buy over here. I think it will go to PancakeSwap. So just click the I understand button right here, and I'm just going to click the max on this one. So as you can see here, I can buy 1.92 worth of franc, and I do have around 0.5 BNB, which is around $200 inside my Binance Smart Chain network. So what you just need to do here is, of course, you just need to swap this one out. Okay. I mean, I'm going to try if I can use a lower slippage. I'm going to try for 2%. So it's a lot more better. So I've paid a gas fee, of course. I think I'm not sure if it is. Okay, I've paid a gas fee of around 0.008 BNB, and I'm just going to confirm this one right here. Okay, so as you can see here, transaction submitted, view on BSC scan, and it is pending. Okay, so let's just wait. Okay, oh, it has been confirmed. Okay, it has been transferred. So I think it will appear into this one right here. Let's just maybe refresh this one, and probably we could buy Frankenstein. So as you can see here, I can enable this one already because I do have already a franc token. So just enable this one, allow Frankenstein Finance to spend your franc. So just click the confirm button right here. And of course, you will pay a small network fee. Okay, so just confirm this one, pending transaction. And I think after you've done it, you can probably put inside. So as you can see here, there's a minus button and there is a plus button in this part. And just click this plus button and just click the max here and just click confirm. And as you confirm this one, you need to pay as well another small amount of BNB for you to process your transaction. Just click the confirm button right here. I'm not sure if I do have enough BNB yet. So as you can see here, I do have 1.92 franc stake inside. And the really good thing about this one here is, of course, let's say after I've got my ROI and this price goes up for 200, then probably our Frankenstein, our investment will also get doubled inside. So as you can see here, I'm getting now franc here, and which I can probably harvest. I think it doesn't have an anti-whale because I can probably harvest it already. So for me, the ideal harvest for this kind of field farming is, of course, if you maybe if you've managed to hit the specific milestone. So let's say you've hit around 10%, you've gained 20%, or maybe you've gained 33%. Then that's when you will get this kind of money. So as you can see here, the yearly is 4.91k%. And of course, the more money being poured into this platform, the lesser APR that you could probably get. And the daily is around 13.45%. And its weight is 50 times with the TVL of 1.96 million. It also has a really, really low fees. Okay. This is what I really like about this platform. It is because its fees are 0.1%. It's really, really low compared to Garuda Swap, compared to Panther Swap. Even if you compare it with Gator Swap, which has, I think it has around 5%, 7%. So it's really, really good. This one is really good. Okay, so you can see some tutorials inside here. You can see the fees and tokenomics on this one. And you can also view the contract inside here. So as you can see here, this is the reward distribution. Okay, 10% of total to Frankenstein Finance dev team to ensure essential growth of the protocol. Maximum supply cap at 2 million franc for Binance Smart Chain. So it's pretty cool. For the roadmap, they've also made it here. I haven't actually seen it into their platform, so I just noticed that you can probably see these important details of Frankenstein if you go here into this tutorial right here. So of course there's some facts. Okay, the yield explained, the farm APY, daily farm APY, bonus APY, and other stuff as well, annual percentage yield and annual percentage rate. So there's also a risk here. Okay, so they've also put the risk, so they're pretty much transparent on this type of information, because I mean, being a lot more transparent to your users makes a lot more credibility as well into your platform, because you're actually educating them. So as you can see here, there's a general DeFi risk, there's a third-party risk, and there are some other risks like smart contract risk and impermanent loss and other stuff as well. Okay, so it's really good. They also have an in-progress tech report from TechRate. I think I'm not sure. I think I've seen it. I think I see it here. So the ETA completion of TechRate full audit will be May 24, and of course, there will be some marketing plans for AMA sessions, and they will have a listings that will come soon, like CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and Blockfolio. And they are also adding new farms as well into this platform right here. So I think this one is pretty much really good yield farming project inside Binance Smart Chain. So that's just the overall recap. Okay, just buy Frank in PancakeSwap. Okay, just click the buy with BNB here. Then you will be redirected wherein there is already a currency that is displayed right here, which you can just swap your any token that you really have your holding into Frank, and then just starting earning inside this platform. So that is it for this video, guys. I'm also going to post a link into the description box below about this project, so that you can check, okay, and you can earn money as well. So that's I'm going to get some small commissions on that. However, it won't affect on your earnings. So that's more like, I think I'm just going to get some referral earnings from Frankenstein itself. So please do support me on those kind of links, because that's also helping me for making pretty much small money by maintaining this channel as well. So that is it, and I see you on the next yield farming tutorials here in Crypto Addict. Goodbye.